In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your display name in Zoho Mail. Whether you're customizing your email presence for a more professional look or simply updating your name for personal reasons, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into Zoho Mail, which you can do by visiting the web app at mail.zoho.com. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you're in, direct your attention to the interface. Among the icons visible, you'll want to locate the Settings icon, represented by a small gear. Clicking this will give you access to various customization options within Zoho Mail. Alternatively, if you're already familiar with navigating these settings, you can head straight to the Send Mail As section. Once there, you'll see the From Addresses list, which shows all the email addresses associated with your account. Here, you'll need to find and select the specific email address for which you want to change the display name. Next to this address, you'll see an Edit icon. Click on it to proceed. Now, you're at the step where you can truly personalize your email address. In the display name field, you're free to type in the name you want recipients to see when they get emails from you. This could be your full name, such as John Smith, a role-based name like Support Team, or even your business's name if that's what you're aiming for. This ensures that whatever your motive, be it branding, professionalism, or personal preference, your emails reflect the identity you choose. After you've entered your preferred display name, click on the Update or Save button to apply these changes. This step is crucial as it confirms your new settings. If you're using an external or custom SMTP address, Zoho might ask you to re-enter your SMTP password. This is a security measure to ensure that your changes are legitimate and authorized. With those changes saved, it's important to validate that everything is set up correctly. A quick way to do this is by sending a test email. Choose any recipient, maybe yourself or a trusted contact, and send an email to confirm that the new display name appears as intended in the recipient's inbox. Congratulations! You've just updated your Zoho Mail display name, aligning it with your current preferences or needs. With this simple process, you're able to ensure that all your email communications are presented exactly as you desire. Thank you for watching, and remember, a professional email appearance can make a world of difference in how you're perceived by your recipients. Have a great day and happy emailing.